Hello guys, welcome back to Monet Loves Glam. I hope that you all are having a beautiful day. In this video, I'm going to take you along with me as I show you some small things that you can do to really update your space and make a big difference. So the first thing that I'm going to do in my bathroom is I am going to change out these cabinet pulls. I originally installed these when I first moved into my house, and they were okay, but I decided that I just wanted to upgrade them a little bit to make it a little more glam and a little more modern. So as you can see right here, these will be the pulls that I will be using. I have a pack of 6 that I picked up from, I believe, Home Goods for about $9.99. So since I already had drilled my holes in my cabinets and the screws were already in there, it was just really easy to go ahead and unscrew one pull or knob and then just screw in the other one. So as you can see right here, I'm just screwing that in, getting it tight. You can put these horizontal or vertical. I decided that I wanted them to be vertical, so that's what I did. And this is just a comparison of what they look like side by side, and I am really liking the new ones a lot better. You guys let me know which ones you like down in the comment section. So I have 4 of these that I need to change out on my side of the vanities. I'm just going ahead and unscrewing that other knob, and then I will be screwing in the new one. And just even them out. And then I have this one at the bottom down here, and I don't know what it was about this bottom one, but this kind of gave me a difficult time. I actually had to pull out a screwdriver to hold it in place and go ahead and get it on there. For some reason it just did not want to catch well, so as you can see right here, I am struggling a little bit. But I got it on there, and guys, this is what it looks like with those knobs replaced. So my next feat was to go ahead and switch out my outlet covers. Of course, you guys know I am so glam, so I found these mirrored outlet covers, and I am just gonna go ahead and change those out. It's really simple, really easy. I couldn't even find my flathead screwdriver, so I just got a butter knife, unscrewed that one screw in the middle, and popped that outlet cover off, and went ahead and replaced it with the new one. A good thing about these, they did have a little plastic film over the top, so I would probably suggest you go ahead and get it in place and screw it on, and then go ahead and remove the plastic so that you will not scratch it up at all. So that is what it looks like. I am so happy on how that turned out, and it was really inexpensive to change it. Now this one here is actually, it's one of those 3 switch ones, so I just wanted to show you that they do have all varieties and styles of covers that you need. And then this one here is a single switch, so I bought the type needed for that one. And then that one, you can see right there, it's a single switch, but it's the GFCI. Now I'm going to take you to my guest bathroom, where I want to show you how I added these cabinet knobs. And so I do have the white sink with the brushed nickel, so I wanted to find something that fit into that decor scheme, and I found these knobs at Hobby Lobby. I think they were about $5.99 a piece, and I think that really upgraded those cabinets. And now I am going over to my next guest bathroom. I have this blank space right above my toilet that I wanted to just jazz up a little bit, so I purchased these 2 white floating shelves. I went ahead and installed those. And then guys, you probably have seen these beautiful blinged out candle holders in some of my other videos, so I just decided, as usual, to shop my home and go ahead and use these in this space. So for one of them, I filled it with some faux greenery, and the other one I filled with some face towels. I added this mercury glass vase right there in the middle, and then I found that sign up there, wash, brush, floss, flush. I thought it was a really cute bathroom sign. And then a mercury glass candle holder with the gray candle right there on top. So this is a close-up look of what everything looks like. Guys, I hope this video gave you some inspiration. I hope it gave you some ideas on how you can make small changes to upgrade your space. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your family and friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.